It's the 1st of July, today you're gone, oh gone. Had to tell me by today you're gone, oh gone. You packed up your stuff, today you're gone, oh gone. You ain't chasing the sun, today you're gone, oh gone. What you do if it's hot? Go and throw in your baby. What you do if it's not? Look around for Captain Saver. What you do if he's gone? Go home, start online dating. Hope it was worth it, baby. When the sun go down, summertime so that's all you'll ever need. A summertime thing. That's all you'll ever need. A summertime thing.
Go out to that Anya's house, but so if we got those other two ones out there at the same time, and then because I knew I was going out that direction, I did up an ad for Ballinelly and Granard. Well, it depends if he had planned on taking Friday off. Well, like the weather forecast for the weekend is pretty shocking. So that's what he was saying to me. But like, if he's off, I'll gladly accept his help. You know. I know. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. No, but oh, definitely. And we'd love to go away as well, but it's a long way if the weather forecast isn't going to be very good. You know? Yeah, so if Pat can do that on Friday, that'd be great. So I suppose we've got that the woman in Abbey Carchan there, that's the sister of Maria, is called Ethna. And I'm not sure. But I suppose Maria will organise all that tomorrow. So, or if not, I can get her mobile number. Maria King, 8:30. No, sure. I'll ask her when I'm there what time for her sister's house, and is she organising it, or is her sister organising it, or anything like that, you know? No. No. I'd say they just cancelled that cheque and written a new one, but you know yourself, by the time they get it signed by the Treasury and all of that sort of stuff, and get a new cheque out, and then when it goes into 4 Kyones Terrace, do you know what I mean? Like, all of that could take a day to delay. That I could get it maybe at the Friday morning after the business meeting or something like that. But no, it's great to get the move on. And do you see I got onto Harmac Medical because the invoice was wrong, and they didn't go chasing it in the meantime. I just assumed that I had fixed the invoice and sent it back to them, but I obviously hadn't, because she got back on saying that. So because I think I looked, and that's 6 or 7 weeks, I think. And because Nathan had done the cladding a couple of weeks before that, some of that work is probably 8 weeks ago. So hopefully I've moved them on and I sent the right invoice, and you know. So that's just a bit of a sample of the organising. I'm not in uniform today because we are going to a funeral. There's a friend of ours that passed away, and so we're going to his funeral today. So that's business closed. Had planned around it all week, and it'll make Thursday and Friday a bit busier. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. A little bit of organising there. with the office on how the next couple of days are going to go down, certain things that we have to organise, must do things, and just for the smooth running of the business. So they're going to do a couple of hours this morning of all of those bits of organising. With me, I am not doing a whole pile today. I've left them to. That's the beauty of having them doing, the organising for Thursday. Who's going to do what days, what equipment we'll need, what information we have to get to the accountant for different bits and pieces and holidays, and organise all of that sort of stuff. That's what they're there for, and it means that this morning I don't have to spend a couple of hours doing trivial stuff. So that's the way it's going to go. So a day off for me today. So that's it. That's what a bit of organising looks like. A bit of answering a few queries, and I hope you have a good one.